This is the orange, the flower, the blossom. Oh, this is a little orange.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So cute. And those little orange become these big juicy oranges that we'll juice and eat. Mercy.
But unfortunately, we're getting a fight from these layer of the leaf miners.
Oh,
Where
are they? You take them off?
You have to actually remove the leaf, to be honest with you. You see,
Oh, they mine in the leaf. Mercy. And they kill, they eat the blossoms and stuff.
I don't know if they eat the blossoms, but they destroy the leaf.
And then, it can't photosynthesize and feed the plant.
So it's a whole thing.
Mercy. And they're everywhere.
Yeah, they're everywhere. I don't know why they like the citrus trees so much.
Well, I guess
And then you have these little buggers.
Mercy.
But they were sprayed this morning, so
the aphids. Are those aphids?
I have no idea if these are.
Wait, so these are dead now?
Because I think aphids supposed to be transparent, right? Or kind of like.
I feel like no, man. Aphids have different colors, man.
Okay.
Make sure we don't step on Papa G's cucumber plants that are coming up.
Like the ones from
Egypt. And here we have a little spider trying, I guess, to eat those aphids.
Yeah.
Just
so
like
don't trouble them.
Just like sin, right? You're gonna have a parasite for everything. So you have a sin or a temptation for everybody. The citrus has its own little critters, Oh wow.
It doesn't even seem like it was the first blossom too, because this one here.
This is our mountain sop
And of
plant.
course,
I'm making sure I don't step on anything.
the hurricane
Did a number on it.
But it's still good.
Nice. It reminds me of the soursop blossom.
Looks just like it. Yeah.
I can't wait to taste the mountain top. And the leaves smell like it too.
I think I'll prefer soursop though. Soursop is the king.
Oh, and here's a nice papaya over here that's thriving. But look at it sending out suckers. You see that? You know you can plant these, right?
No.
Yeah.
I was
You just cut off that and plant
it.
it?
Male or female.
Clearly it's a
This is the
female.
third time I planted here. First 2 times was a male tree. You cut it down.
Just
And
try
this,
again. Look at that.
So,
Beautiful. Beautiful papayas.
well, I want to show those.
And these are the Scotchy. I'm not a pepper person. But which tree? Oh. So Papa G spraying with his neem oil.
As I tell Papa G, I'm not sure if this can hold fruit, but
yeah, man, it can hold it.
What is this?
this is Starfruit.
Oh, this
I'm
is
really
the Starfruit
surprised that
tree.
it's blossoming already.
You're surprised that it's blossoming?
Already. I was
It's
giving
pretty.
it until next year.
It's such a beautiful blossom too.
But oftentimes, the first time a fruit tree
Blossoms,
blossom
they
doesn't
fall
thrive.
off.
It doesn't mean that it's going to hold. But Papa G seemed to be very hopeful. So we will be hopeful with him.
So,
I don't know if you
yes.
can see, but are you able to see?
Yes. But I don't know if I can.
Zoom in.
Oh, yes. Those are chochos or chayotes, what they call them. See them there? See the little bottom of it there? Yep. That is our... It's growing on this tree. What kind of tree is this, Daddy?
It was a bird feeding tree.
What kind of tree is this? Cedar tree that it has decided to make its trellis. It has made it its trellis, eh? So he's doing cucumbers here, so again, at this plot of land. Those are the peppers, and he's planting some cabbage over there. Papa G spraying with his neem oil mixture.
So that's citrus.
Oh, what is this? Lemon?
An orange.
An orange tree.
That was gifted.
That was gifted to us. So we're nurturing it. And these are packed choice.
Watch it, sir.
Yeah, I have to be watching myself. I have to be looking down to make sure that I don't. Ooh,
What?
big.
Yeah, that's not it. Papa G say another month? I say another 4 weeks, Papa G, or another 3 months? What do you say? I
Beautiful.
wanted to show us this over here, babes.
Beautiful.
Papa G and I had
Yeah, remember there's a video?
number one issue of this. So you can see that the entire.
Oh, and there's some leaf of life here.
Yeah.
See that?
The limb died for most
For
of
your car.
most of the point.
Oh my word.
But look,
There's one.
there's evidence of life. The old foliage died and the fruit of course died.
Oh, so
So
something
you
else
can
is
see
coming up.
there's some new buds. So it's alive, but
Oh, it's kind of like kill off everything.
yeah, it wasn't enough to sustain
Or maybe it had already.
all that life.
No, or maybe it had already.
It died.
Yes, and just needed time
So
to show itself. And that's what's going on with the breadfruit. But the breadfruit are going, man. I'm ready. I'm ready for this.
you're actually gonna have breadfruit soon.
Yeah.